Good morning, everybody. Hey, you know who I am, Doug from Proformance Unlimited. This has to be a little 347. Did this one a little different, completely black, and it came out badass. We got all the goodies in it. Got a eagle rotating assembly in this, forged pistons, all hand file rings, AFR heads, blackout kit, black pad, black block, black pulley kit on there. MSD distributors black, the intake's powder coated, and it made 493 horsepower, 496, whatever. But again, EFI system on this is multi-port. Multi-port fuel injections are worth at least 35 horsepower. I'll bet my dollar to anybody that wants to. This is one kick-ass little motor. If there's anything that can help you with it, give us a call. Happy to go. Peace. Hey, here's the person who gets on at the end of the video. Okay, Eric, I got your 63 Ford Falcon engine here on the dyno. Happens to be our 347 multi-port EFI. Man, I'll tell you what, I liked what I did on this one. I painted the whole thing black for you, and I think it's a real cool look going to be in that 63 Mustang. Let's fire it up, give you a run demo. It also makes some nice power, too.